Hi, so I've been on LinkedIn now for the past 14 years. Yeah, 14 years. And beyond just sending connection requests and the normal saying, happy to announce that I've done this or got this job or won this award, did you know that you can grow and learn formally and even informally, leveraging LinkedIn as a tool? So, on this note, in the coming series, in the playlist or course Learning Through LinkedIn, I will be sharing real insights on how to use LinkedIn as a powerful tool to unlock your next level. I have been doing this since I became aware of it for the past 5 years. So, whether you are looking at vertical climbs on the career ladder or horizontal sideways moves in the career landscape, like I explained in the Squiggly Career, I will be explaining different people's LinkedIn profiles and showing you the keys I think I perceive that they used to unlock each level of their careers. So on this channel, we learn through books, podcasts with guests, and people's lived experiences. And where else to get the lived experiences from, if not from LinkedIn? I think LinkedIn is a good tool to leverage to be able to buttress this series. So I would love for this series to be engaging and informative. I would love to learn from you too. Okay, how do you leverage LinkedIn as a tool for growth, transformation, networking, even sales and all? Please, if you have any LinkedIn profile that you want us to discuss, please do drop the name in the comments of this video, or you can drop the link of the LinkedIn profile and I'll go through as many of them. I'll go through their profile. I'll look at what I think they have done, the keys I think they have leveraged, whether education, whether networking, whether visibility, certifications. Yeah, these are some of the keys. I'm going to also sit down when I'm giving the analysis of the first LinkedIn profile. I'm going to break down the keys that I think people have leveraged, and this is going to feed into my upcoming book. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share this with someone who you think is going to benefit from knowing how to use LinkedIn, not just as a tool to send connection requests, not just as a tool to clap for promotions, which is good, which is important, but as a tool to be visible, to learn from people's LinkedIn experiences by going through their profiles. I would say this every week, try and go through at least 3 people's LinkedIn profiles. It is a form of learning. The same way you would read books, please make it a habit. Go study people's LinkedIn profiles. I do this a lot. See you in the next series of Learning Through LinkedIn. Bye bye.